Oh. It's ice. Gotta wear the cleats. Icy days. Oh, it's icy. Here it is. Last time to the Montana State Fairgrounds, administration building. This is where they always have all the rides set up, roller coasters, tiny ones, I guess. More about those spinny rides. And it's a big auditorium. This is the food court, actually. Get back to delivery. As a kid, my dad would take us to the fairgrounds every year, and we would play music with our little band. Like, I would write songs, and my family members, they all learned to play the instruments, and so we just rocked out together. And so this is the stage. I'm about to leave this town for like ever, I feel like. So I'm trying to just save some of this stuff, but like the gazebo's kind of in the way, but the stage is like back there. You see the stairs up to get onto the stage. Area's kind of closed off, but yeah, then there's this brick gazebo thing where they would have food and whatnot in there. Yeah, that's a pretty cool stage. More buildings back there for the Montana State Fairgrounds. It's a pretty big event here in the state, or it used to be. I know it looks like something's going on here. What is this? Bunch of cars parked out there doing something. Oh, this is a testing site.
Apparently. I'm like, if we have to deal with it, you have to.
Let's see what we can do here. Oh man, can we get across the line? Oh, you got it. All right, so crew, just waking up, my deconstructing homies. I got a few packages. I need to. There they are. I need to get those sent off to the shipper today. I'm trying to sell just as much stuff as I can. Anything I really don't want to take with me, although I want to take everything. I've been getting more and more picky, and so I'm down to just a few more shoes left, some boxes around. So we're almost done. I got my date for my move, so I definitely got to get everything out of here in the next like 2 weeks or whatever. So got a day off at work, which is amazing. I mean, it's still pretty cold, but I couldn't have asked for better circumstances because it's been like -0, super snowy out. To actually have some time to get some stuff done is super amazing. So I'm going to take advantage of it. Yeah, I got some Travis Scott to open up and Sockjig. You guys like that? You guys know Sockjig? Let's check it out. Got those shoes dropped off. Now I got to get my junk cleaned out of this apartment I'm renting until I get to Honolulu while I'm here in Montana. Gotta get all my junk out of here. Got so much stuff from the house that I used to own. And so I'm gonna load it into the truck. Oh man, that door keeps opening up. I'm gonna load it into my truck here, and I'm just gonna give it all to my dad. I don't even know what to do with it. Like, I could try and sell it, but it's really hard to sell stuff. You have to be on it, and I don't wanna deal with that, so I've got other things that are more important to sell anyways, stuff that has more value. Plus, my dad can use all this stuff, and, you know, he's helped me out in the past, so help him out here, right? Got everything loaded up, got the vehicle or the house locked up. So I'm gonna check the tire tread on my car tires because I don't really want to buy new ones before I move. I'm shipping my car over to the island, and I'm hoping that my summer tires still have some tread. One thing about living in Montana, there is higher cost of living just because you have to buy winter stuff and summer stuff because the conditions are so much different. Yeah, and even in winter, sometimes you have some warmer summer days. I mean, it's like 50 degrees out, so yeah, I'm gonna get this stuff over to my parents. I really like my street stomper bike. It's specialized. It's like not that special, but it's from the 90s, and I couldn't find anybody to buy it. So maybe I'll still ride it in the future, or one of my little siblings will, because you know I got 12 siblings. So all right, I'm gonna go over there and get the stuff unloaded, and then we'll be able to check out those Travis Scott Mastermind shorts. Yeah, just check the tire guy. Apparently we have like 3/4 tread, so buying a new tire right now, like when the tire's not even half life over, would be a total waste of money, really bad for the environment, because that rubber is just gonna go to waste unless I sell them to somebody else who has the same exact tire. 255 over, oh man, 235 over 50, 255 over 50, R's 18, all these codes. I'm not a tire expert. Anyway, that's why I went to the tire experts to find out if I need new tires. Honolulu tires, they're right there. We're gonna take them with us. All right, so now actually I got a bunch of stuff done today. I'm really actually hungry. I had a little bit of breakfast, but I need to eat some lunch. I need to film and edit, and then I'll hang out with Abby tonight. So yeah, I'm just trying to get everything done I can this day. Sent off those shoes already. So yeah, let's go ahead. Next thing up, we about to open up some Travis Scott shorts. Let's go. Before we do that, I'm gonna surprise Abby with a little kombucha wellness shot, just in case she wants one, because you know everybody's dealing with flu-like symptoms and stuff, and we're getting tested non-stop and we're always negative, but you know it's always good to feel good, take some vitamins. She loves these things, so I mean, I don't know about the taste, but the way they make her feel, so I'm gonna surprise her. Is Abby here? If she's busy, she can wait. Oh, there she is.
Oh, that's Tim's brother.
Oh, for crying out loud.
Hey, honey. Do you need a kombucha
Yes.
or a wellness shot?
I'll definitely do the wellness shot.
Oh, yeah?
I'm not feeling super great tonight.
I wasn't sure.
Thank you so much, honey.
I know you've been tested, but you're negative.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, he's really good.
Oh, okay.
He married my cousin, actually.
Oh, for crying out loud, yeah. Lucas is my husband's nurse over there.
Oh, wow, yeah. I've known Luke as long as I've known Abby.
Yeah.
We worked together at the rescue mission a little bit.
Oh, wow.
Thank you for this.
Yeah.
This is very needed, actually, today. Did you get one for your...
Driving past my old college. My old college one last time. Oh, man. Yeah. Beautiful building. Good memories.
Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up.
Hey, we here, people, one last time. Let's gather here in Montana. Don't know what's gonna happen with future videos, but hey, we here now, and future is unwritten, so we'll see what happens. Today, we're gonna be opening up the Mastermind shorts. They should be like similar to fitting like these other ones. These other shorts from Travis Scott, they came at the same time, or the drop was the same exact drop. The fragment ones, they got all that fragment across here, the embroidery. You can check out that video if you want to. Also got some Sockjig socks. Actually, we'll check out that in 1 second. First, I want to get into these shorts that I really care about. I have just been going after a bunch of different shorts, trying to get new ones for my trip. And so when I saw these, like, what was it? In August or whenever they dropped, I thought they were kind of dope. Could be a good color for me. Be wearing a lot of shirts in Honolulu when I lived there. A lot of shorts and a lot of t-shirts in general. So in the packaging here, we do have the totally glossed over or frosted bag. I don't know what you call it. But it's not totally transparent. It's got some matte finish to it. Cactus Jack logo right on there. Super big. You have your little, there you go, your little tag. I don't know about the resale on these shorts. A lot of Cactus Jack stuff. It's really hit or miss right now. A lot of sellers aren't selling. Like me right now, I'm just holding pretty much everything Cactus Jack I have. Mainly because I really support him and I understand, you know, he's going through a lot of scrutiny right now and it's not fair, but I mean, nothing in life is fair. And you know, some people have much stronger opinions about it. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, here are the shorts from Travis Scott and Mastermind. Yes. Oh man, dude, it's like a light dusty rose pink. I really should have gotten these shorts in well, this one, I don't know if these are about the same size, but I should have gotten them in a small. I did go for medium just because normally that's what I wear for shorts. If they didn't have this drawstring, if I put like loads of stuff in my pockets, they would just fall right down. So these ones, it looks like they're built the same exact way. These are 100% nylon, so there's no stretch to them or anything. That's why they seem a little bit wider. It's pretty trendy right now, I would say, and this pink is pretty dope. You have this embroidered Cactus Jack. Look at that. This right here, that's nice. I mean, I'll burn this off, whatever that happens. On the underside, just some embroidery. What do we got for tags in here? It looks like we got our medium. We got our Cactus Jack, some info, tag talking about the nylon. Oh, and then underneath the tag, you see the pocket has mesh on there, so they're not going to be filling up with loads and loads of water. These actually might go with my fit. This tee has some nice, some subtle colors on it. This is a very unpopular t-shirt, maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? You guys like it? You don't have to say yes. All right, I'm going to try on these shorts. Let's go. All right, so yeah, definitely a great color. They fit exactly the same as those other fragment shorts, so anybody wondering about size, I am 6'1", about 140 pounds. My waist is like a 30, so these Moon Man pants, these are a medium, and the waist is a little tight actually for a medium, so you never know. These ones are gonna be like my beach pants. Like if I spend a night at the beach or a late night, I can change into those, and we'll see. I might wear them, I might not, but anyways, some dope shorts. I definitely dig them. Now we'll get into the Sockjig Jatt ZV-E10. This box is so odd. Like there's no particular way to open it. I don't really see how is the best way. I'm just gonna tear into it under here, but like there's no tape anywhere. Like where do you tear it? So I'm gonna pull on this. What does that do? Opens it up weird. All right, cool. All right, what do we got in here? We got our receipts. 2 separate receipts. Well, this one's just the remains of a sticker that they used, and then my receipt. Okay, these are kind of like the Calabasas socks, but they say Sockjatt instead of Calabasas. Sockjig is what a lot of them say. Is basically, Sockjig is a Twitter account, and Sockjig is basically a Twitter personality who writes about sneakers. Jatt Boy is just, you know, another personality. So they went ahead and collabed together for this lookalike of the Calabasas, which I think I have this gray pair. I've got so many socks. Yeah, I do have a gray pair. It's not the same color, but yeah. So it's a similar font as the Calabasas. I think they did a little bit of a better job, but I mean, they're just a different knit in general. Can you even see the differences there? Let me zoom in. All right, so we have the Sockjig, and we have the Calabasas. So they're quite a bit different in their knit structure. You can see the font is, you know, very similar. Colors are a bit different. This is more of a black. The Calabasas, this is more of a gray. And down, I mean, they're both gray for the actual knit, just different tones. It's insane how many types of gray. There's just so many different colors. So yeah, and plus these ones have been worn a bit. They're so tiny. They really stretch out, these Calabasas ones. And then these ones, they're a little bit thinner, but yeah, that knit that they used is like the perfect knit so that you can have text in there and things like that, like have the best clarity for your text, because it looks like that writing is actually a separate color that's in there, just totally separate. Like this sock just comes blank, and then the way that it's structured with the pattern, it's perfectly capable of basically sewing in whatever text you want, custom text. So you did a good job. So thanks, Sockjig. Keep coming out with more content. I'll keep liking and retweeting stuff that you post for sure when it's funny to me or irrelevant or whatever. I mean, and hey, maybe we can collab one day. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about these Cactus Jack shorts. If you guys like this Mastermind skull and crossbone, you can't even tell. I mean, except for maybe far away. But like, just like seeing it from the side, it more looks abstract or whatnot. So I think it's a cool design. I really dig the color. It's really similar to another pink pair of the cargo shorts that I got from Supreme, but I think these ones are more dusty of pink, I think. I mean, I don't know. I'll put them side by side. I should probably go grab them at some point. Maybe I'll do that in a future video once I'm in Honolulu, because I don't know what's gonna happen with Honolulu or this whole trip, because for the next few weeks it's just gonna be like me saying goodbye to family members and me working a whole bunch of overtime to be able to afford this whole giant move. So I won't be filming a ton. It's gonna be a little bit of a break for me, but definitely keep following along. Hit that like button to show me that you want me to make more content in the future. Hit that subscribe button so you know when new stuff pops up. You never know, I might do some more shorts. Once in a while I'll do a short video and I have some time or have some cool footage. I actually have footage that I'll take and then I'll want to make a short video out of it with YouTube, but then I'll never like get around to doing it. I'll never find the time because life is just so busy right now. So just be patient with me. Thank you so much everybody who's followed along and bearing with me. You know, through my whole life, I've just wanted people to love each other more, to be more caring for each other. And so I thought, you know, growing up as a conservative Christian, that Jesus was the way for us to learn to love each other and care about each other, and he really is. But I did leave the conservative Christian church after being a children's pastor there for a few years, you know, kind of worked my way up. I was really super dedicated, and I just found out that kind of the surface level that it is technically, you know, just like a business and nonprofit organization, you know, trying to be able to pay the salaries of its employees and, you know, make everybody happy in the community that they're sort of supposed to be, you know, taken care of as a nonprofit. So I want to continue my life just on that path of helping people to learn how to get along with each other. Basically, taking your occupation and using it to benefit other people. Like thinking about everything that you do as helping other people, helping the world around you, helping your family members, just creating a positive vibe all around, just creating that aloha spirit that I'm really excited to be a part of here in the next few weeks. Remember to be kind to everybody around you. Follow my Instagram and Twitter to find out all the most recent news about me that I don't post on YouTube. And yeah, mahalo. Peace.